Hi, Ellie here. Today we're going to compare the Ooni Koda 2 with the Ooni Koda 2 Pro. If you are thinking of buying either of these ovens or upgrading from your other ovens, then we will go through everything you need to know about the differences between these two ovens. Let's do it. So I bought the Koda 2 in the blue and I bought the Koda 2 Pro in the Foundry Black, and I've compared them here so you can see the difference in colour. I prefer, I think, the blue because it's a bit different from all the other ovens that have come out in the Ooni range in the colours that they've provided before. And I do like that blue colour anyway. The Koda 2 Pro is a lot bigger and it's more square. The Koda 2 is a 14-inch pizza oven and the Koda 2 Pro is an 18-inch pizza oven. So that means that the Koda 2 will take pizza up to 14 inches and the Koda 2 Pro will take pizza up to 18 inches. As you can see here, I've compared the stone of the Koda 2. I've placed it in the Koda 2 Pro. So you can see the difference in the sizes of the cooking area of these two ovens. It is a lot bigger in the Koda 2 Pro than the Koda 2. And this is my 14-inch pizza peel in the Koda 2. And here it is in the Koda 2 Pro. And this is my 12-inch pizza peel in the Koda 2. And again in the Koda 2 Pro, so you can compare the difference in sizes of these ovens. Weight-wise, the Pro weighs 30 kilograms and the Koda 2 weighs 16 kilograms. And in comparison, the Koda 12 weighs 9.25 kilograms. I find the Koda 2 easy to carry around without the stone in it. The Koda 2 Pro is quite heavy and I won't be moving it around much. Certainly you've got to take the stones out before you move that oven anyway. The stone sizes, the depth of them are different in these two ovens as well. The Koda 2 has a 15mm stone depth. And the Pro has a 20mm stone depth. The other big difference between them is the flame at the back and the side. So the Koda 2 has one flame burner at the back. And the Pro has it on two sides. Both of them have a dial on the side, which is really easy to use. It's battery operated, so easy to access. The other difference is that the Koda 2 does not come with a glass on the front. The Pro also comes with a digital thermometer in the box, and that's easy to set up. You just link it in with a little cord and it measures the inside temperature of the oven. However, you will still need to use your laser thermometer to check the temperature on the top of your stone when you cook pizza. It also has a meat probe. The heat up time with these ovens is different. They do use different energy levels. So on the website it states it's 20 minutes for the Koda 2 to heat up and 30 minutes for the Pro. I would say my times are slightly a bit longer than those two. Depends on the weather and how cold it is and winds, etc. However, the energy consumption with these ovens is very similar to the Koda 12 and 16. So the gas consumption of the Koda 2 is 0.34 kilograms an hour, which is not far off the Koda 12, and the Pro is 0.69 kilograms an hour, which is not far off the Koda 16. So these are very efficient pizza ovens, even though they are very much bigger than the 12 and the 16. They are good with their gas consumption. So I would read from this data from the website that these ovens are very gas efficient for their size. So that's good to know. If you are considering buying one of these pizza ovens, which one should you go for? Firstly, you need to think about what pizza size you'll be cooking on a day-to-day basis. If you generally make pizzas around 13 inches and down in size, then the Ooni Koda 2 would be the one that I think you should be looking at. But if you're thinking of cooking bigger pizza all the time, or need to cook big pizza all the time, then the 18 would fit that bill. You can also cook smaller pizza in the Pro and maybe add a little dish, a cast iron dish on the side, or you could cook 2 small pizzas in the Pro. So there is that bigger stone versatility so that you can do different things in there because you've got more room. That's something else to consider. I bought the Pro as an upgrade from the Koda 16 and I bought the Koda 2 as an upgrade from the Koda 12. You will need to consider the price. There is a difference in price. My main concern is the weight of portable pizza ovens, the 30 kilogram versus the 16 kilogram. If you're used to carrying these around, you will really need to think about that because I definitely need help carrying the new Pro oven, whereas with the Koda 2 I can manage that on my own. Also the heat up time, factor that in when if you're living a busy schedule. Do you want that extra time to wait, or are you quite happy to wait the 20 to 25 minutes, or do you not mind waiting for the longer heat up time? And also with the Koda 2 Pro, I'm not intending to cook 17-inch pizzas in there. I'm going to be cooking the same size pizzas as I do in the Koda 2. I can see that cooking nearer to the side rather than cooking in the middle of the oven with my smaller pizza will be a better place for me to get that base, crust and top cook. My impressions of both of these ovens from cooking in them so far are that they are so super good at cooking pizza, in that the stone temperature is lovely and consistent all round on every part of the stone, and then the flame is really good because you can put it quite close to the flame and it doesn't burn it, it just cooks it nicely. I think these are fantastic upgrade ovens, or new ovens if you are new to pizza cooking. They are very easy to use and cook your pizza in. So if you are thinking of buying either of these ovens, it's a really good choice. The new gas burners are an improvement on the older versions. The temperature's consistent at the front and the back, and that's like a huge improvement. If you are thinking of buying these ovens, I am enjoying using them. I can't wait to get more experience using them over the summer months now coming up soon. And please follow me so that we can share all of our experiences and cooking tips together. I have 2 playlists and I will link them at the end of this video and in the description below, where I show all my cooks from these 2 ovens. It's going to get bigger because I'll be cooking in them over the next few months, so check those out. And if you've got any questions on these 2 ovens, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.